Hello world, my name is Ashley. Welcome back to another video of Living with Ashley J. And here on my channel, I create content based on lifestyle, cooking, and travel. So if any of those interest you, hit the subscribe button. And so today, I'm going to be showing you how if you need to go pick up your kid real quick, run to the grocery store, go to like the drive up at Target, a quick Zoom meeting or anything like that, how you can transform into this to this. So if you're interested on a quick trick, doesn't cost you much, you probably have this stuff around the house, stay tuned.
What the scarf looks like, when I say it's like really smooth in between a polyester and a silk, baby, it is so pretty. And as you can see, the width, I think you can see, it's not that big. It's like from here to here. Like I said, like it's like a headband you would wear. See, hold on. It's like a headband. So y'all see the width? But these are so cute. I'm gonna go in my cart and link them down below. I did get, I believe, 3 or 4 of these for the dirt, for the Lolo. But they're just, I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, so like I said, this is what it looks like. Very nice. The material is, can y'all see that? It's so smooth. So we're just gonna do one of these numbers. And you can wrap it however you want. Something basic here. You can do whatever you want to do. But this is what I do. I mean, look, I got on the hair wrap, but I don't. Or you could do one of these numbers. Hold on. It looks like you have on a hair wrap, but you don't. Or we could just do what I was just gonna do from the beginning. Okay guys, so at this point I knew I was gonna head out, so I'm just gonna like show you a different style that I like to do when I wear a scarf. And keep in mind, you can push it back further if you would like. However, I like to cover up as much as my face as possible when I go out in public, just because of, you know, COVID's out here and all that good jazz. I cannot wait until we stop having to say that word. Anyway, basically this is some braid sheen, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm just getting my roots really good. Yeah, by the way, these braids have been up just a little over a month. So yeah, shine and jam. You guys don't have to buy that expensive stuff, because I'm a hairstylist, have been for many years, and trust me, a lot of this stuff that's under $20, like way under, works way better than the stuff that's super expensive. So don't believe the hype in all those those brands. But I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video, and subscribe if you're not, and stay tuned for the next one.
So this is the edge control that I use. It don't say edge control. However, the regular edge control, I've probably tried over like 15 different brands. Sis, bruh, they don't work for me. My hair is just too curly. It's that tight curl too. So if you have tight curl and your hair has low porosity, that's probably the gel for you. So after I do that, I just take my and do my edges. You can do the same thing. You going on a trip? You don't gotta wear no bonnet, girl. Put this on. And either put your wig on, slap your or not slap, slick your hair back in a ponytail. Or if your hair is short, just wrap your hair. Wrap it at night. Like wrap it. Or you can slick it back. Wear your fro. And I'm gonna take this comb because, and I'm gonna do like this first. I don't always do my edges, y'all. I really don't. But we doing them today. And I kind of like to do that. I don't like to make them like they really edged out like the young folk. You know, but I give them a little pop. This just works better for my hair. So some of y'all use the edge control brush. More power to you. My hair don't be, it be like, where you got something stronger? You got something stronger or not? Because I ain't gonna act right. That's what my hair likes to do. So, oh, you can use this too. This is, don't mind the hair on there. You can use this one too. This is the same thing. This is Control Gel Extra Hold. Oh, this has honey extract. Excuse me. So, but it's essentially the same line, or the same type of gel. Just use that. I got this big old thing at Target, and this is 14 ounces of gook for $6.69 or it was $6 basically. And after my discount, it was like exactly $6. So I saved a couple of pennies. So buy it in bulk. I'm out here buying this expensive edge control just because you seen somebody review it. It might not work for your hair. Just stick with, you know, we've been using that stuff since the 90s and 80s and stuff. That stuff been here for a long time, y'all. Sometime, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay. All right, y'all. So, guys, that's just pretty simple.
Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this look. If you want to see more looks like this, let me know. And if you're not subscribed, right now would be a great time to do so. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time.